Hey you guys, and welcome back to Shy Girl Beauty. So today I'm doing something different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I bought this phone. It's the iPhone 6s Rose Gold, and I bought it from Walmart. And now the issue is this had a very low rating. It was saying the battery wasn't working, etc. So I'm just going to open this up here. Now, I am not using any type of knife or anything. I'm just peeling this off. There we go. Okay. So let's see what it comes in. There we go. So let's see if it even comes in an iPhone packaging. So it does have some nice bubble wrap here. Oh, it does come in nice iPhone packaging. Look at that. I didn't expect that. Oh, and it also has this SIM card because I have Straight Talk. So it does have a SIM card here as well. Oh, wow. Nice. So, let's see here. So I'm just going to open this up with my fingers. I don't have any type of knife. So let's see if I can get all of this open. Let me see. It's good to have nails, right? You can do anything when you have nails. So let's see here. Almost open. I'm so excited. This is an old iPhone, that is true, but I haven't had any type of iPhone in a long time. I had the first iPad mini I had, and that is so, oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, man, it looks really good. I hope all of those bad reviews were wrong. Here's the plastic. Here's the plastic waving sound. And here is the phone. I wonder if there's any battery in it. How do you even start these phones? I don't know. The battery didn't come on. Hopefully the battery's okay. That was the main issue with it, but of course it is not charged. Oh my goodness, it comes with earphones. I so needed some earphones. Look at that. Can you see? Wow. Nice. And then it comes with, of course, the plug here, and then the outlet as well. And there it is. Let me see if there's anything underneath here. I doubt it. In fact, will it even come out? No. Okay, very good. It also comes with, what is this? So, comes with, okay, this iPhone decal. And I remember that a lot of my old iPhone mini had that. Oh, and it has like a little, wait, this is not a case. It's just the outside. Okay, very good. And then this is for the Straight Talk phone. So let me see here if it has, because they all said it did not have the tool to place the SIM card. I don't even know if I'm using this for as my main phone. I may just use it for camera and internet. So, okay, so here's the SIM card that it comes with. And there we are. So it did not come with the tool to open up the tray. It's this pen tool here. And that's what I heard a lot of them say. It does not come with that pen tool. So I guess you just have to use your own little pen to stick in there. Yeah, I don't see that. So hopefully it works, and I will update you guys. And if you see a video, hopefully the quality will be better with the iPhone. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I hope you like this unboxing. Bye!